Do you really have a girl named Daisy who must drive you crazy?
Hi, my name is Clode and I'm studying the Level 3 Performing Arts at Llwyddiant, and on this course I achieved a triple distinction star. I chose Llwyddiant because of its family environment and the reputation that was presented to me by its alumni and the opportunities they were given to pursue their dreams and future career goals. After college, I plan to go and continue my studying at the prestigious Italia Conti in London, and after my further education, I plan on pursuing a career in TV and film acting. During my course, I enjoyed the module Acting for Camera the most, as it showed me what my true dream career path was. If it wasn't for this module, I wouldn't be where I am today. I would recommend Llwyddiant because of the amazing amount of opportunities that it presents to me and my peers in the college. And through these avenues, it develops us into well-rounded performers and team players. It was due to my course that I realised my dream career goal. Thank you, Llwyddiant.